Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Google into your Windows 10 computer. I have a PC and I want to download Google. Okay, everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so let's go to Internet Explorer. Okay, so from here we need to go www.google.com. Enter in the keyboard. And then from here we need to type here Google. Okay, Google, then we go to here, Google. Download. Download Google. Enter. And then from here we need to go to right here, Google download. And then right here we need to uncheck this. I mean, I don't want to. If you want to help make Google Chrome better, then leave it. If you don't, download, and then uncheck it and download. Okay, it's supposed to start right away, but then we need to click here if it doesn't. Accept and install. Okay, it's right there. It's coming now. So from here we can just run or save. Let's click save. And then view, download. Okay, so it's downloading now. Open folder. Okay, so it's right here. So let's close this window that pop up. So right here is it. So double click. So now we're going to install it. Okay, right here just click yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. We can close all these windows. Even this one. Okay, so now it's working. Okay, so right now it's downloading and installing. It will take maybe a long time, so I'm gonna pause my video, okay? Okay, it's still installing now. I pause my video so it won't be too long. Okay, so it's right here. No, okay, it's open by itself. Okay, right there. Get started. skip, 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 no thanks. Okay, there you go, there is Google Chrome. Okay. Okay, so it's working. Thank you so much for watch my video. Please subscribe, give me like, and check my other videos. Thank you.